Welcome to the tutorial on how to use the flash on your Nikon D750. Let's dive in. By holding down the flash button and rotating the dial on the rear, you can switch between different flash modes. These include No Flash Mode. Self-explanatory, it disables the flash. Flash Mode. Standard flash mode for regular use. Red Eye Reduction Mode. This mode helps reduce the red eye effect. Rear Sync Mode. Useful for capturing motion blur in low-light situations by syncing the flash with the rear curtain of the shutter. By rotating the front dial, you can adjust the flash compensation. This feature allows you to control the amount of flash output, either increasing or decreasing it based on your needs. So, whether you need more illumination or want to tone down the flash for a natural look, the Nikon D750 gives you the flexibility to adjust accordingly. That's all. Thanks for watching.